Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the YouTube videos to your phone using the legal method. So in order to do it, first of all, open your YouTube application on your Android or your iPhone. Over here, you need to make sure that you sign in into your account first. Now you can either find the video here on the home page, or you can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you can search for that particular video which you want to basically watch offline. Now when you're able to find the video, you just have to tap on it in order to open it, and after opening it you are going to see the download option over here underneath it. So when you tap on the option of download, it is going to ask whether you want to download the video in the medium quality or the low quality. You can also get the 1080p or full HD options, but that comes with YouTube Premium. The best part is that you can get YouTube Premium absolutely for free for the next 2 months or 3 months, depending on the offer available in your country. So here, click on the option of download on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now the video will start to download on your device, and you can access it by selecting the profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then going to your downloads section. So here you can find your downloaded videos, and when you are offline you can just simply play it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.